Hey, it's Travis, Green Valley Anglers. Welcome back to my daily tip series, 5 minutes to better bass fishing. Videos every single day to put you on them. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss one. If you're staring out the window thinking January bank fishing is a lost cause, you're in the right place. I get it though. 20 something degrees, wind cutting like a knife, fingers numb just trying to tie a knot. But I started bank fishing winter ponds as a kid with nothing but a cheap rod and frozen toes. And some of my biggest bass ever came in January on foot. Today's 100% for everyone without a boat or when the ramp's iced over. The 7 hardcore strategies I still swear by to catch January bass from shore when it feels impossible. 5 minutes of real talk from someone who's lived it. A quick heads up, I'm giving away a 5-pack of swim baits for every video I drop this month. Just comment your favorite of the 7 strategies that we talk about today. Ready? Let's go. Here are my 7 January bank fishing rules. The ones that turn frozen fingers into sore thumbs. Number 1, target the deepest, steepest access you can find. Public dams, bridge riprap, spillway walls, high bluffs, or roadbed cuts that drop straight into 30 to 50 feet. The fish are deep. You have to reach them or you're wasting time. 2, fish the sunny or wind-blown side first, and be patient for warmth. South, west-facing rocks heat up fastest, even in weak sun. Wind pushes bait to one bank. Show up around 10 a.m. and let the rocks warm. That 1 to 2 degree rise pulls fish up the break. Number 3, downsize everything and fish ultra slow. 3/8 to half-ounce jigs on 10 to 12-pound Sunline Sniper fluorocarbon, quarter-ounce Ned rigs, half-ounce blade baits, drag inches, pause 30 to 90 seconds. January bass barely move. Number 4, 3 pre-rigged rods. No retying in the cold. I use a Shimano X Pride 7.2 medium heavy with a Shimano Corrado 150 for jigs. I use a Mega Bass Destroyer Addermine spinning rod with a Shimano Vanfer 3000 for a Ned or drop shot. A longer X Pride 7'6" with a Corrado for blade baits or spoons. But you can use something similar in size and action. Number 5, use the clock method, 12 casts max per spot. Then move, fan cast like a clock around you. No bites by cast 12, walk 50 to 100 yards, cover water efficiently. Number 6, focus on transitions and subtle changes. Big to small rock, rock to clay, shade line to sun, or the current slows behind a boulder. That's where the negative fish are going to park. Number 7, commit to the grind. Hours, not minutes. Dress in layers, bring hot coffee, hand warmers, and stay out there. The bite often turns on late when everyone else is home warming up. I'll never forget January 2010. Didn't have a boat yet, was working 2 jobs, fishing a local reservoir dam every weekend. Water was in the 30s, wind was howling off the lake. I'd layer up like I was ice fishing, walk in with 3 rods rigged exactly just like I described, and grind a 200-yard stretch of riprap from 10 a.m. to dark. One Sunday, I caught 19 fish with an 8-pounder mixed in there. Released every single one of them, of course. Took a grainy shot with my OG iPhone and walked out smiling while my fingers thawed. That day taught me January bank fishing isn't about luck. It's about preparation, patience, and refusing to quit when it hurts. Here's a quick January bank beater recap to live by. Number 1, deepest, steepest access. Number 2, sunny or wind side plus wait for the warmth. Number 3, downsize and ultra slow. Number 4, 3 pre-rigged rods. You do not want to retie in the cold. 5, the clock method. Move if no bites. Number 6, transitions are everything. And number 7, commit for hours. The grind wins. Print that list, tape it in your tackle box. And there you go, my bank dudes. Proof January bank fishing can be epic if you play it smart. Pick the best public access you've got, follow those 7 rules, and go prove the lake's not dead. Drop a like if you're hitting the rocks this week, comment which rule you're adding first, and subscribe. More bank beating winter content is coming. I appreciate every one of you toughing it out on foot. Stay warm, stay stubborn, tight lines, and I'll catch you on the shoreline.